you're experiencing crashing issues with your Xbox Series X, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Restart your console. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Press and hold the Xbox button on the console for about 10 seconds until it turns off. Wait a moment, then turn it back on. Step 2. Check for system updates. Ensure your console is running the latest software. Go to Settings, select System, then Updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 3. Clear the cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve performance issues. Turn off your console, unplug it from the power source for at least 10 seconds, then plug it back in and restart. Step 4. Reinstall problematic games. If a specific game is causing crashes, try uninstalling and then reinstalling it. Go to My Games and Apps, highlight the game, press the menu button, and select Uninstall. After that, reinstall it from your library. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, it may be time to reach out to Xbox support for further assistance. They can provide more specialized help or guide you through additional troubleshooting steps. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issue on your Xbox Series X. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek professional support.